Hello, grade 7. Welcome to another edition of Mr. D Teaches Math. And folks, today we're going to get into a new unit on algebra. I feel like that term probably strikes fear in the heart of most grade 7 students. Maybe not. Maybe you're excited for this. I hope you are. I typically like the algebra unit. It's good stuff, I think. What we're going to do in 11.1 is we're going to look at something called variables and expressions. And so there's a couple of terms there that we need to define because our goal is to be able to use numbers and variables, which are typically letters, at least in grade 7 math, to represent mathematical relationships and solve algebraic expressions. So I have to have a couple definitions. Variables are letters or symbols such as A, B, X, or N that represent a number. And then an algebraic expression is a combination of one or more variables. It may include numbers and operation signs. For example, 2 times d plus 5 is an algebraic expression that could represent 2 times a number plus 5. Okay? So let's look at this little example for a second. So Bill sells tickets for the county fair. And the price of each ticket is $8.75. So he makes up this table so that he could quickly determine how much to charge for the different numbers of tickets that he might sell. And so here's this chart. And we see that if one ticket costs $8.75, 2 tickets are $17.50, 3 tickets are $26.25. What Bill ends up doing is he uses this algebraic expression, 8.75n, to figure out how much any number of tickets he might sell. So 8.75n, or 875n, means 8.75 times n, where n is the number of tickets. So anytime you have, like say, he wants to sell 100 tickets, or 20 tickets, or whatever, some other number, you can just substitute whatever number of tickets in for n. And so instead of 875n, it would be like 8.75 times 20, or times 100, or whatever else. Okay, so we're going to get some practice doing some of that substitution for a second, because a lot of what we're going to be doing in 11.1 is doing that substitution. Okay, so what the instructions here say is to find the value of each expression by substituting 3 for n. So here we have n plus 5, so instead of it being n plus 5, we're going to do substitution, which is 3 plus 5. Well, that's 8. This is 5n. So we're going to say that when you see like that, it actually means 5 times n, which is going to be 5 times 3, which is going to equal 15. Okay? And then again, 3n minus 4, that's going to be 3 times 3 minus 4. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 equals 5. Okay? So we just did a substitution. We picked a number and said, put that number in for n, in place of n, and then tell me what it equals. Okay? So that's how to substitute variables and expressions. The practice that you're going to be working on focuses on that stuff. And so that's what you're going to be asked to do. So have a great night, folks.